If you are looking for a great safe to keep your valuables, you're absolutely going to love this. This thing is absolutely awesome. It is fireproof, it's sturdy, it's stable. You have a couple different ways to get in and out of this. So right off the bat here, you have a set of keys. You're gonna get 2 keys right over here. Super easy, just put those in just like that. You're gonna turn this, and then to get this going right over here, once that's good to go, you can just turn this way and it will open up. I'm gonna show you a close-up look of how everything else works right now. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So you got this nice little kind of felt over here, which is great. So you can put whatever you want in here, whether it's valuables, cash, whatever. You have some nice little hooks over here as well, which I like. And this is how you're gonna be able to set your code. So this one is gonna be to set the actual combo you want. And this up here is for the fingerprint. So you could do both fingerprint and actual code, which is really nice. So I did this one right here. So you'll see it goes like that, and then you could just do that. And you also have a light as well. You do need to put batteries in here. So you just literally pop this open. It's gonna take 4 batteries right over there. Super easy to set up. We have this in a certain location. I just put it on here for you so you can see it up close and personal. But if anything were to happen with the batteries, that's why you have the keys. So if you're looking for a great way to protect things that you deem valuable, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.